In this lesson, we will learn how to apply number formatting inside Excel. We have a small table consisting of 4 columns. We have movie title, IMDb score, net income, and date released. We want to have a uniform style for every column, and we will see how to apply number format for every column. The first step is to select the column we want to format. We will select the column Movie Title. All the movies inside the column Movie Titles. Then we will right-click and select the option Format Cells. It will open a window where we can select a category for our number format. We will need to see what type of data we have in this column and then apply the right category inside Format Cells. For this type of data, we need to choose the text option. On the right side, we will see what types of properties we can change for this category. For the text, we don't have any properties enabled. We will click OK, and now Excel will look at this data as it is text. Now, we will select the column IMDb score, then right-click and choose the option Format Cells. Here we have decimal numbers, so we can select the number option. Inside the number option, we can see what types of properties we have. We can view the decimal places and make them bigger or smaller. For our instance, it is okay to have 1 decimal place. We could enable 1000 separator. For this occasion, we don't need it. And we can specify how we can apply negative numbers. Because we don't have negative numbers, it isn't important for us to set this option. We will click OK to apply, and now every number in this column has 1 decimal place. We can format now the net income column. We will select all those numbers. These numbers are numbers that should be displayed as currency. We will have a symbol, so we will right-click, then select Format Cells option and choose the option Currency. We can display the decimal places and select Symbol. We can select the symbol we want. I will leave this as the pound symbol and then click OK. We will see that every number inside this column has a pound symbol added to it and has a 1000 separator. Inside the currency option, we can't exclude the 1000 separator. It is always on. Also, we have a column D called Date Released where we have numbers. These numbers are actually dates. We will see that they are actually dates when we format them. You will select them all, right-click, Format Cells, and then choose the option Date. Date and time options are location-based, so for the English United Kingdom, we can see all formats that we use in the United Kingdom. Now I can select the type I want, and then click OK. Before I click OK, I suggest that you go through these categories and experiment yourself with your own data. When I click Apply or OK, we will see that those numbers are now formatted as dates. And that's how we can apply number format inside Excel.